So guys, there are terminal changes and terminal updates for these specific airlines starting March 29, 2026. So, dati nasa Terminal 1 ang Shenzhen Airlines, Royal Brunei, Air China, Vietnam Airlines at saka ang China Eastern Airlines mo. And now they will be moving to Terminal 3. So guys please take note, effective March 29, 2026. Then, effective March 29, 2026 rin, ang AirAsia mo, dati nasa Terminal 3 siya, lilipat na siya to Terminal 1. Both for international flights only siya yung AK and Z2 na mga flight codes. And then, effective April 1 naman, 2026, dati ang Japan Airlines or yung JAL mo, nasa Terminal 1, they will be moving to Terminal 3 na. So guys, if ever wala pa yung mga dates na to, as is pa rin tayo. So, effective March 29, 2026 yan. So, if ever you have these flights, starting March 29 at saka April 1 for Japan Airlines, please take note of the changes sa terminal. Remember guys, medyo mahirap yan kasi medyo malayo ang airlines or yung mga terminal natin. Kaya you have to make sure na tama siya. You can always check updated terminals nila via your airplane ticket and your airlines. So check mo muna if you want to be sure.